Wait a minute.
Well, from what I'm seeing in readings, the recent lows were confirmed by momentum readings. So um, there's a chance that this rebound might be short-lived and
Short-lived.
consolidate. Yeah, and
Yeah.
consolidate uh in this area from 185 to 205.
Hmm.
Yeah.
185, 205. Yeah.
Yeah. Again, I mean, I have more bullish evidence if there's some divergence somewhere, but for now, I don't. We're not seeing it.
But where do you think the RSI will form, right? By is the current, let's say last night, right? There was a try to pull back, try to recover, then it crashed, correct?
Yes.
Um, so let's say it goes back down and close at the lows, right, of 2 days ago, right? But this time the RSI is higher. Does that form a small little RSI buy, or that would be insignificant because the timing is too short?
Um.
You probably
Yeah.
need a longer consolidation period,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Probably a few more days better than 1 or 2 days. That would be more ideal.
Okay, okay. So the from your experience, right, the timing of the RSI divergence between the last two troughs in RSI, that matters as well, right? That means there's time for the market to fully digest.
Yes, yes, that's correct.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, that's Danaher. No problem. Can we just take a step back, right? And help me out with a bit of macro, right? Let's start with the Nasdaq. Well, what you guys are thinking. Yeah.
I'm not sure what Lawrence's latest on Nasdaq is. Just,
Hmm.
let me just check.
Okay, so if you put, I'll give you the three tickets, okay? So you give me three tabs if you don't mind. Oh, yeah, I see you have three tabs. Maybe if we go to the Pfizer tab, right? I'll use a different one. So the Nasdaq, we enter the ticker first, the first tab on the left. Sorry, I can't see you moving. The first tab I was going to ask about is XLV. XLV. Yeah. Next tab is DRG. DRG. Yeah. And then I was going to ask about XBI, but it's okay. We'll do that later. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Let's go ahead with the Nasdaq interpretation then. Thank you.
So for Nasdaq, you're trying to break out from this consolidation pattern. You can see it. This
Yeah. Oh, trying to break out. What the fuck? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
So trying to break out from this. To break out from that, you're
But why do you draw? Oh, you draw it there because the last peak was there, right? They failed there, right?
yeah. This is like
It's a range. It's a range.
yeah,
Got it.
something like that, or you can also use a cup and handle if you like, with something like a triangle pattern,
Yes.
ascending triangle pattern. So if a break above what's this 22 to 22 100 probably.
Yeah. Yeah. And if it breaks out, we're talking about from the lowest green point,
Yes.
right, all the way up.
So
Yeah.
so that's
So
around
20,000. Yeah.
20,500, roughly 7 to 8% more.
What the fuck? By the way, this is causing the whole healthcare weakness. Okay, so it can go another 7-8% more, depending on what it does over the next 2 days, right? Yeah.
It's more tech-centric.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, right? I saw a UBS strategist talk about the gyrations, right? All the bad news that hit, including DeepSeek, didn't actually cause any damage. The Nasdaq came back. Which period? Yeah, and she saw that was really bullish, right? That was her commentary. But which period was that pertaining to? Is that something around, let's say, Chinese New Year period, which is 23rd of January, right? Yeah.
That was probably this one, right? think this one to this.
Yeah, then it came back, then it went down again, it came back. So it's
But
very resilient, right? And then
yes,
it's narrowing a higher and higher low, right? That's what it is,
yes,
right?
yes, that's right.
Fuck. I see, I see. This is amazing. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So I guess that will lead into the pharma weakness. Okay, cool. Can we take a look at XLV?
Okay, for XLV again, it broke from a downtrend channel earlier.
Yeah.
It's right now it's consolidating around its 200-day moving average. So it probably will try to consolidate further.
Yeah.
It needs
So
to
no
break
clear
above,
direction, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
It needs to clear this 148 to 150 area to suggest the resumption of the earlier uptrend or the breakout. And your support is probably here at the 50-day around 142.
But there was a mini RSI sell, right? Just in early Feb.
That's correct. So best
That's
case
why it
scenario
came down. Yeah.
is to consolidate between 148 and
And
about
145.
145
Yes.
thereabouts. Yeah.
Okay. But so there's no direction. I just want to make sure you don't think it's directional here, right? It's just going to consolidate, right? I
For
mean,
now,
in the face of the Nasdaq strength, this is as best as it can do, right?
For now, yes.
Yeah.
Ideally, you would want this to clear the 200-day moving average conclusively and consistently. So
Yeah.
right now, since it's consolidating or oscillating around that area, then no clear direction for now.
Yeah. Okay. This is awesome. Great. Thank you so much. Can we take a look at
Sure.
DRG? DRG.
Pharma. So for this, there, as you can see, bounce from the support, with improving momentum, divergence, and it's trying to build a trading range somewhere here, right?
Yeah.
So again, since it's forming a range with the failure to hold above this.
So it failed. Okay.
Yeah, so
But is
right
it
now,
a short? Is it a short, you think? Not really, right?
not really. But the a break above this area at around 995 to
Yes, will be
1,000
bullish.
would
Yeah.
be bullish. Yes.
So right now
And
the jury is still out, right? It's too early to call which way. But if it starts selling down further, then it's a good chance it tests the 900 point, right? Before it bounces again.
yes, or this area.
There's a 50-day. Yeah.
Yes. Correct.
Yeah. Okay. But so this one is generally hit a cap, right? Near-term cap and fail to break through, right?
Yep.
But if it starts failing properly, then normal fail breakthrough should test the lower end before an RSI buy is formed, right?
Generally speaking, yes. So since they're still in the top end
I see.
of the
But at this moment, you wouldn't call it a fail breakout yet, right?
not yet. Probably monitor if things improve and it again retest this area, then
No, because they have all reported results, and if it's not breaking out, and then you have Nasdaq going 7-8%, it's going to go down. That's the thing.
So
that's
you
why I'm
have
going to. Yeah.
no catalyst for a breakout. So
Yeah. That's right. Okay. Very helpful. Thank you so much. Can we go back to the first tab? I'm going to give you a few tickers, right? Let's start with in fact, let's start with LLY and NOVOB.
They started off with Bank.
I know we touched on this briefly yesterday, but let's do it again. Yeah.
Was the most popular and
then the third one is MRK. US. Yeah. Yes, that's right. Yes.
So they didn't mention specifically.
So for these, again, still holding despite yesterday's pullback. It's still above this the previous breakout area at around 840, 842. So as long as it stays above that, the our bias is still on the bullish implications of this breakout from this basing pattern, and
Yeah,
probably targets this
has to
one.
970, right? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
But was yesterday really bearish? Because it looks like a higher bar. What the fuck? Yeah.
Yeah. Not really
Oh, really,
bearish.
right? Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry to say, kind of a
Yeah.
pullback. But as long as it stays above this area, then it's the bullish implications of the
Yes.
breakout of this is still stands.
Yes. Okay. Understood. Yeah. Can we look at Novo? Novo B. This is the strange one. Yeah.
Yeah. For Novo, again, it's consolidating.
Yes. Like
between
what we discussed, right?
650
It has
and
to go to the
550.
lower end, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
549, right? Yeah.
Yeah. 549, 550.
But
Should
if
it
it
break?
closes, yeah, but no, let's say if it closes there below, it breaks, but it forms an RSI buy, right?
Yeah. If it stays around this area, if you have a breakdown with RSI confirmation, then you're
Yes,
looking
yes,
to
understood. But for the RSI buy to be fulfilled, it has to close below 549 and then slightly bounce back, right? Or bounce back.
Yes, something like that.
Perfect. That's why it's a very tricky thing. When it forms the RSI buy, I'm not sure whether it is a breakdown. Yeah.
Yeah, true. You need more evidence.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Can we take a look at Merck? Yeah.
So for Merck, I think
Well, bearish. Yeah. What the fuck? Yeah.
kind of bearish. Still
But if it pulls up today, it's interesting, right?
yeah. So since you'll have an RSI buy if it closes on the green today. So
But the last time it had an RSI buy didn't help, right? I think that was before results. Oh no, it did. It rallied into the green line. So that was January, early January. Yeah.
This one is an RSI buy
Oh
area.
no. I was talking about early January, just last month. So it's either that was an RSI buy, right? And it did rally into the green line and failed, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I see. So this is a small RSI buy,
Small RSI.
which wasn't fundamentally justified, which is why it's down. Okay, understood.
Yeah, and it failed below initial resistance here.
But where is the current trading range? There are two dotted lines above and below now. Does it need to test the 80 mark before it doesn't need to, right?
Doesn't need to.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
We're just saying that this is the next key support since this is the next key support. So this doesn't have to retest this. We're just saying that this is a key support for the stock right now since it was last tested some years back and it has bounced from that area a few times quite successfully.
Understood. Okay, cool. Can I give another three tickers, right?
Sure.
ABBV. Yeah. Then JNJ, and then BMY.
Not really tapped by passport, but there's a trend that
I used to own Avia actually. About last year, I think, when I started with the breakout here, but I sold it now.
It was a 50% move, man. What the hell? Yeah.
Yeah. So for Abby, so again, this breakout is intact. And the upside target is this one to
there is a breakout after the results, right? The gap up, right?
The negative social.
No. Where was the latest breakout, or which point was it?
This one.
Yeah, but that day it opened so high up. Actually, not really. Not really. They were debating, so there was a blue bar right before, right? Yeah. Okay, so if it closes above it, it should retest the top. But then it could form an RSI sell, right? That's the problem. Yeah, it's a bit
Yeah.
close. This is the thing. But it has had a pretty good run ever since. Okay,
Yes.
I see. Um, and let's say if it breaks out above the 200 top, then you're looking at a massive rally upwards, right?
What we're saying, what I would think is that it would resume its uptrend should it retest this. So, because if you look into this big thing starting from here, it's consolidating around this area around 206 and 163. So if it breaks above 206, then it's a resumption of the earlier options that you're seeing
Mm.
here.
Oh, okay. Well, so BMY is pretty bullish, right? Yeah, like Roche, right?
Yes.
Okay, I just want to make sure when do you think is the next Fibonacci upside? Is it already being fulfilled now, or if it breaks above 200, the previous peak, right? You have another shot at it, right?
Yes.
No, the reason why I'm asking is if you see the big gap down, which makes this a very crazy chart in this. Yeah,
Mm.
was there
But-
anything to suggest that this thing was over? No, right? Yeah, because if you draw on the up channel of the last two higher lows, actually it broke the lower channel, right?
Yeah. So for this one, it broke below this. He supported a 200-day.
Yeah.
But still, for your next key support is this one when you broke below this, right?
Yeah.
Your next key support is this one.
Oh, but it turns before that,
155.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but you have an earlier breakout from this trading range,
Yes.
which targets around
Yes. All the way to the 200 top.
118 to 200. Then when you started to form a trading range here, so since you're forming a trading range here, there's a chance that a breakout will have more bullish implications. So
Got it.
and with this move right now, seems that the gap down is trying to be filled.
You know what? I actually made money on the short.
Oh,
I don't know
nice.
how I do it. It's that mini pullback. I only shot it for a short while and then I saw it coming out, like cancel it right away. But it's okay. Okay, now I see FV. But you know why? Lawrence was somehow bearish on this recently. Last time I spoke with him, if you zoom in, right, I think he meant the very short term. I'm just trying to understand this better. That was why I shorted. Yeah.
Probably this one.
During the result, post the results. Yeah.
Probably here because there's some bearish divergence.
Oh yeah. That's right. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Okay, could we look at J&J then? Yeah.
So, yeah.
For J&J, it's in a wide trading range between 140 to 170, 175.
Oh
still
wow,
trade-
this is a really good run, huh?
Yeah, from 140 just last month.
No, but is it running out of steam now? You think? Not really, right? It can still go
not
higher.
really. It can still go higher.
Yeah, I should only really take note at the last peak in September, right? That's where it gets tougher, right?
Yeah, around 160 area. 168, 168.
Yeah. And to be honest, I don't think there's anything fundamental that helps it break out. Okay, that's awesome.
And you also book above this area.
Oh, so that's why it's bullish. Yeah. That was last night only, right?
Yes.
Thanks so much for flagging this. Yeah. No, can you just leave it there? Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. So I could remember where that mini peak is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you. Cool. Then this is bullish, right? Just to be sure. Still near to bullish. Okay.
It's approaching the upper half of the trading range.
Yeah.
Probably. Yeah.
Despite the DRG, which is it is a major component, it's a bit weak. Okay, cool. Can we look at we've all of it now, right? Yeah. BMY, yeah.
BMY, it's consolidating between 54 and 60, but should it break below 54, 55 area, then you have a more bullish, a more bearish outlook on the stock
Yeah.
with probably
But it's rebounding here. I'm just trying to understand. I'm confused. I'm actually bullish on both FV and BMY. I shorted BMY, so we made 5%. But is this a buy here, or because the double top is kind of scary, you would rather not?
Yeah, the double top is kind of scary.
Yeah,
but
so
for
it's
now,
failed
since
twice, right? Yeah.
yes, but for now, since this 5480 support is holding,
Yeah.
then we probably the best case for now is just
Yeah. If it breaks below, then
then
if it breaks below, then call on the short, right?
yes, yes.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Very helpful. 1 minute. I'm just give you 3 other tickers. You flip to the first page. Sorry, I'm just going to my US tickers. Okay. Let's have PFE. Yeah. PFE, AMGN, and VRTX. By the way, I have to thank you for VRTX.
B.
Yeah, victory. Yes.
The games that were maybe more acceptable.
Vertex, VRTX. Yes. With Pfizer? Yeah.
So for Pfizer, it's basically consolidating. It has failed below the 200-day 2 times now this year. So it's starting to form a minor range from here.
A base or what?
A minor range. So
okay.
Yeah.
But the fact that it fell at the 200-day is very bearish, no? Why
Yeah,
wouldn't
it's
it? It should go down to the lower bar, right? Yeah.
should it break below this 25,
Yeah.
50 area, then you're looking into this
24.
sport.
Yeah, but it's so
20
tiny. It's so tiny. It's not worth doing much, right? That's the problem, right?
Yeah.
But if it had broke above it had broke above the 200-day, that would be
Then
interesting, right? Yeah.
you're looking into probably 30 area. So this is 29 to 30 area.
Yeah.
So
But
this
you
is
know,
the
the
next
last time in mid-June, it broke significantly above. Then momentum confirmed it. So this time the technicals were wrong, right? It failed, right?
This one you're saying.
No, I'm talking about the one on top. Yeah, the one on top. The July 24 one. Yes, this one. This one was a momentum confirm it, but then for strange reason it failed, right?
Yeah, it wasn't same.
So where do you sell it? As in, when do you cut loss? Because I recall, right, at that July 24, we were pretty bullish Pfizer with concurrence with Lawrence as well, right? But when did the rally get canceled? When it went below the 50-day line, right? Quite far below, right?
Yes, but that's about
that's already crashing. Yes. Then it still tried to fake a rally again, right? It looks like it was going to retest, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So this one the charts are less reliable, right? Because of the basing. Yeah. Okay. No, I'm just trying to understand because I've been hurt several times by this kind of reversal confirmation, momentum confirm it. Yeah. Oh, okay. This is the proper breakdown. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. Okay. Understood. Thank you so much. Can we look at Amgen? Yeah. Oh, by the way, this one looks like a Pfizer July.
So it failed to sustain the earlier breakout this month. So still consolidating around that area.
But the recent 2 days is solid, right? It's still holding, right? Even though it's below 200-day. When do you short it again? Is when if it starts to resume a drop, right? And it goes below the mini range currently, is it?
Yes, and also if it tested this and starts to fail again, then probably that
Oh,
means it's just gonna oscillate for around the 200-day.
yeah.
At
That means
that
very
time.
strong resistance at a 200-day, right? Yeah.
Yes. 200-day and this one, 310.
Yeah, but this one is, I don't even know how oh, I remember it was post results. Okay, okay. I never understood why the move was this way. Okay, cool,
Mhm.
cool.
Okay.
But any commentary about the momentum, or the RSI buy has played out already, right? Played out already.
Momentum actually confirmed this high. So
Yeah. Did you
so
will still give it benefit of doubt currently,
doubt
right?
to give it benefit of the doubt to retest the 200-day in this area.
Then
But
then you decide again. Yes,
then I
understood.
decide again if it fails or just consolidate around that area.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Can we go to Vertex? Yeah.
For Vertex, so you have a trading range forming here around 400 to 512.
15. Yeah.
512. And
Is it a short? Is it failing? No, right? Because the momentum confirms it, right?
sorry, so for this, it's again you're testing the 200-day, which is good. It's probably gonna test this area again.
But this area doesn't form a divergence, right? It might form a mini divergence if
Not yet.
the momentum is weaker. But the higher top at 520, that part is really high up, right? Do you think it tests 520, the November high?
Too early to tell from here since you have a resistance at 490 to here. It can probably retest this area at 490 since
Yes,
the
yes.
previous high is confirmed by this momentum high.
Okay, understood. No, this is very helpful. You know, they're all so tricky, huh? All this shit after the rebound. Okay, cool. Can we take a look?
Oscillations are tricky.
Yeah. Can we flip to the first page? GILD. Yeah. Then REGN. Then BIIB.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Because
Again, for this, and I don't have an upside target other than buy on pullback, I guess, since the uptrend's still quite strong.
Oh, that's amazing, man. What the hell? You know what? I got fooled by this. I tried to short it on the drop, the RSI sell, right? It looks like it was, right? No, I'm just trying to, can you help me out with it? 5 days ago, 3 days ago, right? 3 days ago, because there were three blue bars, right? I shot on the second day. Yeah, I shot it on the second blue bar, right? That was an RSI sell, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that was lower than the November high, lower than the November high RSI, and the stock price was higher. That was correct, right? But in this case, what I missed out was that they were about to report results, and results actually helped them confirm the momentum, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but it wasn't wrong that there was an RSI sell, right?
Yeah. But you're closing in on this support as well too. So it's
Yeah.
up to
There was
the
bad
rebound
risk
and
reward. Yeah. Okay. And will it form another RSI sell here? Yes, but right now, not now, because the
not
RSI is even higher, right?
Yes. Probably tricky to short this one right now since
Yeah,
on
I
a
know.
strong uptrend.
No, I'm trying to learn what I got wrong, because I thought it was a big way down, man. Okay. REGN, that's number 2 tab. Yeah.
that there's some
This one, the damn fake breakout above the 50-day.
Yeah. You're still seeing some bullish divergence, but you have a failed
Yeah, the
attempt
cap.
at the 50-day. So best for this stock right now is consolidate on this area.
Oh, so it's not bullish at all, right? Yeah. Less bullish.
Less
You wouldn't call it.
not reversal, but more of like limited downside from here, since they're
Yes.
probably just gonna consolidate.
Okay.
I mean, best case scenario is consolidate around 655 to
So
about 740.
the guys who got full are the ones who bought in after the 50-day close
Yeah.
above, right?
Yes.
This even technicals are a bit tricky. Okay. Then Biogen? Yeah.
Really, the initial.
So
Yo,
I
this is
think you
like
have
an
an
RSI buy.
buy.
After that,
Yeah.
You have an RSI buy here, since especially being confirmed with the close yesterday.
Yes. At the high, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So your next resistance is at around 150.
Also the 50-day.
140,
Yeah.
148 to 150. Yeah, this
Yes.
area.
Yes. Okay. But that's so tiny. It's like so narrow, right? It's not really any point, right? Yeah. But if it breaks above, if it closes above the 50-day, that would be
Then-
interesting, right? Yeah.
But more bullish bias.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Can we take a look at BNTX?
it's actually just.
Yeah. And then SMMT. M is twice mother. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And then the third one is ALNY.
Yeah, I think in the longer term, yes.
Yeah, that's the one.
And then
Okay, for BNTX.
Yeah, super narrow range bounce, right? Yeah.
Yeah. And again, you have more bullish price action should it break here.
Yes.
And it's closing on it now. So yeah.
Mhm.
And
But
you're
double
looking,
Yeah.
I think you're looking into about 94.
Okay.
About $40.
No, by the way, right? I just saw it so that we have this discussion so you know, right?
Yes.
I think they're gonna fail badly. As in, I wanted to buy this, but fundamentally there's fraud going on in one of the competitors. So if it breaks out and you don't know when the competitor is going to announce, that's why it's related to SMMT. They're direct competitors in the same runway. Yeah. So I want to buy this one over SMMT, but both of them might come crashing down. That's why it's a tricky one. Okay, cool. Can we look at SMMT then? Yeah. Also very similar reaction from last night. Yeah.
Yeah.
Even though they.
The key for stock is to break above 24.70. 20.
Yeah. Okay. Then ALNY.
You're not rushing it.
So for here, there's a potential for a topping pattern should it break below this 230 area. For now, it's consolidating.
But it could be a head and shoulder, right?
If it breaks below this
yes
230.
Oh, that's quite far away. Far away.
Yes.
Yeah.
Best case scenario for now is
it holds the range, right?
It holds the range, yes.
Then form an RSI buy before it breaks below the range and it can go back up, right?
Yes, that's right.
Yeah. Okay, got it. Okay. That's can we go to first tab is mRNA. Yeah. And then the next tab, let's do TMO. And then the third tab, IQV. Yeah.
Okay, for modern
It's kind of like
bullish divergence here.
But then the problem with this is last time in December it formed the same bullish divergence, right? Oh, but it did rally. It did rally, yeah.
It did rally a bit, but it failed to sustain it. The breakout here. And then you're making a new low, and your RSI is still showing some bullish divergence. So probably rally about to 39.40.
Yeah. Oh, and yesterday was a green day, right? That's why it's interesting, right? Yeah.
Yes. So there's a chance to rally to around 39 to 40 area.
Oh, that's a lot of money still. That's
Yes,
that's like
about
20%. Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And
That's
then we try to assess if
yeah.
how
You,
it
you should
behaves.
likely break above based on the pattern before, right? Yeah. Okay. Whoa, this is interesting. Okay, cool. Even though I have no clue why you should rally.
Yeah.
Okay, TMO. Yeah.
For TMO,
This I should have shorted. But okay, first of all,
oh nice.
no, I didn't short it, but I'm trying to understand. At 600, was there any indication to short it? No, right? Because the
No.
momentum was higher, right?
I think so.
It's so tricky, this shit. Yeah.
So the second here is why
Yeah. The day results.
There's some slight. There was some slight.
Oh, slight cell divergence, right? Yeah.
Yeah. But again, too early to tell. When probably when you have this and then starts to close below this area,
Yes.
then
Oh, that second RSI peak is lower. And then of course it broke below the 200-day line, which is a terrible thing, right? Yeah.
yes.
But because the day it broke below the 200-day line, it was gapping lower. That's the 7th of Feb, right? So I don't really know what, but this was an exceptionally bad situation. Okay. And where do we think we can buy it? Where do you think a safe level is, right? No, I don't think it's going to 500. It had good results. It's a question of where. Yeah, if we say that the previous
Your
around
supports
520.
are
Yeah,
somewhere here and here. But it's too
I see.
low.
Can you just put it in so I can see those levels? Yeah, just stick it in. Yeah.
514, 515.
Okay. And then the lower line, I just want to see where that might be.
It's 490.
Oh my goodness, 494. Yeah. Okay, that's helpful. And if it forms an RSI buy, around 515, right?
Yeah.
Do we need to reference the 490 low before the RSI buy is formed? No, doesn't need to, right?
Not really, since you still have some leeway to
Yeah.
consolidate.
No, what I meant is, right, if it goes down to 515, right? Then it closes there and the momentum is higher. Is that considered an RSI buy because in November last year there was an even lower point at 494, right?
Yes.
this September.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
that's right.
yeah, but does it form an RSI buy? No, right? Because you have to go as low as 494 before it's cleaned up, right?
There was
Yeah. Yeah. You're correct.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. So this is a tricky stock. Okay. Cool. Can we look at IQV? Yeah.
some
So for IQV, there's some failed breakout from the 200-day moving average, and you're
Oh
still.
my goodness. Yeah. So
Yeah.
it was a whole setup. It's a full because it reported results and was good and opened up and then it crashed, right?
Yes, and it's now back within this trading range.
Oh, it's
So
going to
we
go to
are.
the low end. But
So
this time it goes to the low end, I should buy it, right? At 188, right?
there's a chance that since you have a if there's some
Yeah.
bullish momentum, yeah.
And this would
then
be a 3-month ORSI, right? If it goes below that, right? Yeah.
yes.
Okay, but first of all, right? Was there anything that suggests I should be shorting it? Yes, right? Because it failed at the
There's
200-day.
Yes.
Then the next day when it opened lower, I should have shorted it already, right?
And somewhat a confirmation that
Yes.
yeah.
Yes. Oh my goodness, this is so scary. Okay. Actually, I'm guessing it's related to TMO. That's why I'm looking at that all together. Okay, can we look at first tab? AUS, a single alphabet. AUS. Yeah, and then the next one is MTD, Mother Tango Delta. Yeah, and then the last one is WAT. Yes. Okay, let's go.
So for Agilent, it's consolidating below here at 155.
Yeah, but this one is tricky. The last peak was a momentum confirmed, right?
Yes. True.
That was
That's
wrong,
right.
right? So that was a fake, right?
Yeah, pretty. Yeah, it's a fake
Yeah,
out.
now it closes below the 200-day. Am I right? Yeah, at 150,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So this is actually negative, or will you short it here?
If
You
it
think it's still hard to call, right? Because this is
I, I
testing the
think I'll
200-day. Yeah,
I'll wait for tonight. If it's lower than this one,
yeah,
then yeah, probably a short and try to
126.
investigate. Yeah, 226 if it's a buy at that point.
Oh my goodness. But this is like I mean I should make a lot of money off this because the range is so clear.
Yes.
I hate this
Yes.
so annoying. Yeah, okay. Cool. Can we take a look at NTD? Oh, but no. Sorry. If we flip back to Agilent, right? And just so you help me out, type SRT3 so we can discuss that as well. SRT3. Yeah. GY. GY. Yeah. Okay. Then we go do MTD first. Yeah. Oh, so this is like Agilent, right? And failing now, right? Yeah.
So yeah, so you have a clear, somewhat range forming here,
Yeah.
there. So that's
Yeah, but it didn't get anywhere close to, or actually the
yeah,
mini peak 4 5 days ago, it looks like it was going to go there, except it closed at the
except
low, right?
yeah, and right now it's testing this 50-day
Yeah.
to 1280. So a break below that should
Yeah,
would
but
probably
then
test this.
from here to here is very little. That's the problem. Okay,
Yes.
then you look to buy again, right?
Yes.
But let's say it gets down to the lower red line.
Mhm.
Is this a major basing out pattern? It looks like it, right?
It I think to look like it. Yeah. So
So that exactly. Oh, there's two caps on top as well, right? Triple caps. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. I just trying to understand, right? In mid-September when it started failing, that was a triple fail, right? At the top red line. Yes, exactly. Is that a good short opportunity? When would it flag up as a short?
I think so.
Yeah, it tried here, fail, and then it pulls up again the third time. Or here you would already short it, right?
Yes, and with this I would try to short since
Yeah.
there it's
It tested
failed.
intraday and closed
Intraday
below,
that
right?
failed. Yeah.
I wonder if these are machines doing this, amazing.
There
They're so yeah.
There's a lot of algo trading going on. That's probably trying to do that as well.
Okay, so this is currently bearish setup, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, can we go to the last tab, waters?
So
Oh, this could be a short, yeah.
there's some bearish divergence as it tested, but it's
it's still
over
pushed
now.
higher, right? Yeah, it's still pushed higher for weeks, right?
Yeah.
That was why tricky. Then suddenly it gapped down, right? Yeah.
It gapped down, so
yeah, it's going to go to 200-day before. Yeah.
Before yeah, so probably it could rebound at the 200-day, like what we've seen here.
It's an up channel. It's an up channel, right? Yeah.
Forming an up channel.
Can you draw the up channel? I want to see whether it breaks it. Then I will go short it, right? Yeah.
Or up channel is somewhere here, actually.
So it hasn't broken it, right? Yeah.
Not yet.
And if it bounces off the off channel, that's a bullish sign, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
You have an up channel here, so around 367, and also the 200-day at around 348 to 350.
Yeah, but if it breaks the green line, then it's screwed, right? It's not done this for 6 months, right? That's what I'm trying to understand.
If it breaks below the green line, you still have the 200-day. It's
it could still come back.
Yeah,
it could still come back. Okay.
Yeah.
Understood.
A slight retest or around the green line, I think it's still okay. But if you break below this,
Yeah.
then
It's a
you have
fully
a
broken.
yeah,
Yeah, okay,
yep,
understood.
yep.
Well, before you flip away, can we take a
Mhm.
BRKR, BRKR,
B-I
BRKR, Brooker, yeah,
B.
BRKR.
Oh,
Oh yeah, you flipped away. BRKR, exactly. Okay, while we are loading it, let's go to Sartorius. Yeah,
okay. So
this looks like a short, no? Yeah.
yes, it has a failed attempt at this trading range at
Yes.
266.
Yes, I.
Should it should it try to rebound to this? Probably.
But
And you're
it's all blue bars, right? That's why it's negative,
yeah,
right?
yes.
So if I can get it closer to the red line, I should actually short it, right?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. But does it worry you that the last momentum peak was super high? I think the reading must be like 85, right?
Um, hard to tell. What
Yeah.
what I would highlight more is that it failed to sustain it, and
Yeah. Yeah.
it's
There's a trading range here. Yeah. 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 Understood.
to
Understood.
have a
Okay.
more
Yeah. Okay. Very helpful. Thank you. Yeah. Can we look at Brooker? Brooker. Yeah. Oh, this one has failed already, but is at a RSI buy.
So we have support forming here at 48, 30.
Yeah. Yeah.
Um,
But it hasn't closed at the low, right? That's why.
yes.
Yeah. RSI buy. Yeah.
Yeah, not yet. Should it we test this with a higher RSI, then you're
Yeah.
probably have a
But
yeah.
maybe a different question. Is there a head and shoulders formed? It looks like it has, or not really. You see the big peak in March. No, this one. Is this the head? And then there's a left and right shoulder, or not really?
This one.
Yeah. Are these shoulders?
Um, uh, it could pass for one, but the shoulders are a bit low, and even if it is, then
Yeah, no,
it has already
maybe the right shoulder is all the way out to October 24. Is that a right shoulder? Yeah.
this.
Yes, yes. Is this the right shoulder? Yeah. It could be, right? It could be a proper breakdown,
No.
right?
For what we're trying to highlight in a let's just see.
Hmm.
Uh,
Oh, you want to use the close, right? Yeah.
to use a longer chart.
No, because I want to buy the Brooker at the low, but I just don't want to be in the middle of a Novo Nordisk. Right? Proper breakdown.
So let's what I'm what I'm seeing
Okay. Yeah.
what I'm seeing is a wide multi-year range.
Yes, yes, yes.
Than this. Right?
Oh yeah, you're right, you're right.
So
this is more interesting as a long here, right? Nearly, right?
yes, should it should we test
Bounce.
this 47, 48 with higher momentum and and see and try to see a bounce at around that area, then it could be a long.
Yes.
As you're for the head and shoulders that you're mentioning,
Yeah.
ideally you want to see a prior uptrend before, since it's a topping pattern. So before that topping pattern or consolidation, you want to see a prior uptrend. But
yeah,
since
so they need to rally to 80 and fail again before you have the head and shoulder, right? Yeah.
So what I'm seeing here is that it's in a trading. So if that was a weekly chart. So if we zoom in, this is the daily chart.
Yeah.
This is the trading range that I was referring in that
okay.
chart.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. No problem, no problem. No problem. I will do more work on Brooker before we work on this. Okay, cool. Can we go to the next set? This is a big sector, right? I should have done this long ago. Next time we'll move this to the front. ISRG, BSX.
That 9 pala is
Yeah.
9,000. 9,000.
BSX. And then SYK.
Concept. And then about 3.1.
Superstar. Like a tech stock. And there's an up channel. What the fuck? Yeah.
Yeah. Your up channel is somewhere here. If you're looking into wider range, then somewhere here, right? And
there's the smaller up channel recent months,
yes,
right? Above the 50-day, right?
Yes, that one. As long as it stays above the 50-day, then the uptrend channels still stands. You're referring to this one.
But what do you read of the last momentum peak just in January?
First metal.
This one?
Yeah.
It's momentum is confirming that. So
it should test the high again, right? Yeah.
Yes.
I remember I was trying to buy it, but it didn't even get close to the 50-day, right? It didn't get close, right?
Yeah.
So now it's still bullish, right? No reason to doubt it, right?
Yes.
That's the funny thing. The valuation counts for shit. No one cares. Okay. So that's why I said technicals are such a wild thing in my world. Okay. BSX. Yeah.
Any additional?
Yes. No. It's still on the major.
It's like ISRG. I understand. Can you draw the up channel for me? Yes, if you don't mind. Yeah. You can draw the up channel, the multi-year one and the near one.
Yeah. That's
bit wide, so and it's even broken. Yeah, but for for someone for me, I think since the rise has been parabolic in the last few
Yes. Yes.
I wouldn't probably trace it, but if it comes closer to the 50-day again, I think it's a good buy.
But the momentum is very good, right? Confirms it, right? Everyone needs to own it, right?
Yes.
Okay, here comes close to a 50-day buy. Okay, cool. Let's take a look at SYK. The weaker version. The momentum is weaker. Right?
Still on an uptrend. I think the key for the stock is to retain.
Sorry, can you say that again? Your colleague was a bit cancelled mine. Can you say that again? Yeah.
I think it's still on an uptrend as well. The key for the stock is to remain above the 200-day moving average.
Got it. Yeah, and this is also a buy on the 50-day, even though it has crossed the 50-day several times, right?
It's oscillating around the higher, the 50-day ending higher. So,
15%.
but as long and since but
can you do me a favor, right? There is if you copy the red line, the vertical red line, copy it. Yeah, there is a trading range that was a breakout, right? Was that done already? Yeah, right. You push above. Yeah, exactly. So
you're now in roughly in a new range.
But this trading range was about 300 to 355, right? So about $50. Am I right to calculate the Fibonacci up, right? It should actually hit something like 410, right?
Yes. But since we are already close with it when it tested this, then that target is roughly hit
met already.
So you're now forming a somewhat of a trading range here.
Smaller trading range. Yeah.
And a new higher trading range here. Right.
Okay. Yeah. So if it breaks above it, then it's another leg up, right? Yeah.
more a step ladder.
Ah, this is crazy world. They're all related to tech. That's what funny thing. Okay, can we take a look at tab one? ABT. So this one's the real breakout. ABT. Yeah. Then the next one's MDT.
Yep.
MDT.
Mama.
Mother Delta Tango. Yeah, and then the last one is BDX. Bravo Delta X-ray. Yeah. Yeah. Cool.
So for Abbott, there was a breakout from
Yes.
this multi-range from 2022 2025.
Yeah.
So this targets around 87 to 119.
Yeah, to
So
all the
that's
way up
all.
to 170, right? Yeah.
Yes. But you're seeing some
Resistance here.
resistance
Hesitation.
here at 133 and also some bearish divergence. So the
You pull back slightly first, right? Yeah.
pullback slightly and then and once it breaks out, then you're targeting 170.
No, but is this a short? Is this a short? Not really, right? You wouldn't want to do it because of the breakout of the range, right? Multi-year breakout, right?
Yeah, probably just to test this and consolidate on this area for a little while. But again, this is a major
Yeah.
breakout here. So you
And
don't
the
want to
funny
be
thing is,
short.
no, I can tell you, right? Lawrence was bearish on this
Oh,
earlier in the year before the massive run.
ah,
So
yeah,
what went wrong? I'm just trying to understand because I was short it briefly. Yeah.
yeah, because it's retesting this and it failed and broke below the 50-day. So that's probably why it's saying it's a short at that time. And then when you're here, you're probably seeing this range and it's retesting it. So there's a chance for it to further go down.
Oh, yeah, because it was failing below the 50-day as well, right?
Yes, that's probably
Then something happened, right? Then something happened. Yeah.
in late January when it broke out.
Okay. No problem. This I'll go figure out what happened to ABT. The next tab. Yeah.
This is a bit bullish.
Bullish?
Uh,
Oh yeah, triple
yeah,
base, right? Yeah.
triple base. The target is 2826 to about 106. Right.
Oh.
Yeah.
I suspect it's like ABT. It's just like the laggards in the medtech. You see the mid-January run has absolutely no reason. It's just bizarre. Okay.
And this is the next resistance actually.
Okay.
103 to 106.
And it's likely to fail, right? Because it's going to be RSI sell there, right?
Probably, yes.
Yeah. Okay. They're very helpful. Thank you. BDX. Yeah. Oh, this I covered my short thinking it was a ABT. I covered at the high. Oh my goodness, what the fuck happened? But the momentum confirmed it, right?
The high, yes, I think so.
But of course the plunge is because of results. So the whole chart was wrong about the fundamental, right? So what do you make of it here? Is this a short to the lower end?
I'll make it fun.
Yes, you probably retest this 1 to 18.
And okay, but at what point did the higher momentum got cancelled? When is it no longer valid? Yes. So at what point would it be a short?
This one, since you're seeing some bearish divergence.
Oh,
here.
okay. Yeah.
So,
Yeah, you're right.
And then this was further confirmed.
Yeah,
with
further confirmation, right? Yeah.
with the next
Yeah, even though the day
negative
after
bar.
it tries to trick everyone by a bounce, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Fantastic. Can I give you another trade ticker? Sorry. DXCM. Yeah, and then PODD. And then the third one is DVA.
Sorry.
DVA. Yeah.
So this one is a bit tricky since
Yeah,
it's
it's failing at the failing at the 200 day.
failure at the 200-day, but you have a rising 50-day acting as support for now. So best case for it is to consolidate around this area.
But
And
if
it
you
breaks above,
see two, yeah, if you see two closes below the green line, that will be negative, right?
yes.
Okay, okay. Well, I'm just trying to know because I'm trying to short something here, but it's great. Okay. That's yeah, can we look at PODD? Oh my God.
For this,
Yeah, and
you
there
see
was a
some,
crazy momentum high in November. What the hell was that? Yeah.
yeah, but your
Yeah,
new
then
high,
mm,
you're seeing some bearish divergence here,
mm.
and this one.
But you see, right? In December there was a bearish divergence that played out, right? But
Yes.
it didn't, it sold off only to the 50-day and stopped.
Yeah.
Is this considered divergence playing out? Yes, right?
Yes. I think so. It will probably retest again the 50-day, I think, and wait for further confirmation what it does. Yeah.
Okay.
But as long as but yeah, you have some bearish
Yeah,
divergence.
but and it also has a major resistance from June 23 right here, right?
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But ideally I should wait for it to go up here, but it's already declining, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, very helpful. Thank you so much. Can we look at DVA? By the way, I have something to tell you about DVA later after you take a look at it. It looks like yeah.
Breakout, as long as it's above 168, then so there's a breakout here. It's targeting 168, 150.
You know what?
So
I'm going to give you the details. You know why? Because they just reported results last night and was shit. It's down 11% post market.
oh, so
Yeah,
probably
so
then probably
yeah, I think even lower. I think you're looking at the red line. Yeah,
this is 150.
yeah. 1 minute. I'm just trying to get but I'm just saying that if let's say it doesn't recover tonight, where does it go? Yeah, where does it go?
So
I'm just making an assumption. It's going to 160, 160.
yeah,
165 actually. Yeah.
you have 50 days support. That's the
Oh,
case.
so there's still a chance they can still go up, right?
No, we'll stay here.
But it has to recapture the range breakout, right? That's what it is.
Yes. For it to be valid.
So it's not such a big deal, not such a big miss, right? Or break that breaks everything, right? Okay.
So if that's the case, then you have initial support here at 168 and then 162. If it's below that, then the breakout
It's negated. Yeah.
negated.
Yeah. Okay, that's helpful. Can we take a look at sorry, I'm just gonna GEHC. Yeah. Then ALGN, and then INSP.
Okay. This one is interesting. So you have a potential breakout. Should it
Oh, yeah.
break above 94, 95 area?
Yes.
But it didn't, right? It didn't.
Well, it's still not finished.
Mm.
Probably
Intraday it touched it, yeah.
intraday touched it. So you have to look into the next few days
Mm.
if the uptrend is sustained or it's starting to do something like this again.
Yeah.
But
But the last few times, right? The last high in early October, what was there RSI sell?
But they offer different products and that
Yes.
sometimes overlap.
It was, right?
Maya is
Yeah.
digital math. That's a digital
Ah,
math. Similar to
wow, and the
Ah.
sell happened so far. It's like the thing plunged.
Whereas
So
for
that means that for this stock, right, the 94 level is very critical, right?
yes,
Yeah.
since if it breaks out then from that, that's a big move. So you're looking into about $20 or so. $15 to $20, right?
Yeah. So if you don't mind, right, Jonathan, I have a more midterm question for you, right? What I've just given you are all the tickers for MedTech, which is the closest thing in my sector to Mega 7 or AI, you know.
Yeah.
So I missed out the rally and I'm kicking myself. So if you don't mind, the three leaders, right, are SYK, ISRG, BSX, right? But as a whole, would you think that the MedTech rally, right, is overdone? Is it due for a pullback, even though the leaders can go higher? In this case, I think what happened is the top three guys move up and they pull all this garbage, like this one, right, all the way up. But they might fail, right? So there is a chance I can short the garbage, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. I'm just saying that I'm gonna send you an email with the set of tickets from MedTech. If you help me form a general opinion, right, over a longer period, right, late at a chance. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, cool. That's GEHC, right? Yeah. Can we look at ALGN? Yeah.
So this one is
yes, sir.
This is very strange.
They have
you have the trading range from here.
Yeah, and it's at the lower end of the trading range now, right? Yeah.
Yes.
But is it a RSI buy? It might be, right?
It might be. It might be.
Yeah, depending on tonight and next tomorrow, next two sessions, right?
Yes, that's right.
But the 200-day is very tough to break out, right? That's the problem.
Yes. So your rebound is 235 to yeah, I think around 235 for now.
Yeah, and if it breaks the 205, then get out of the way because it's going to go all the way to the bottom, right?
171, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Understood. Can we take an INSP? Yeah.
So you have the support forming here at 117.72.
Two volume.
214, 215. It's between since it's between the 50-day and 200-day, so probably just consolidate around this area for now. If breaks below the 200-day, you're looking into 170.
Yeah. Hey, sorry, can you zoom out on this so I can see on the wider chart? Oh, okay. So it's a narrow trading range, right? Yeah.
It's a narrow trading range. If it breaks below this, then
then all the way
you're
down.
looking, yeah.
Okay, cool. Very helpful. Then last section in the US, UNHELV.
It's related to either accounts receivable, other accounts receivable, or probably provisions.
ELV and CVS.
Though they really don't like to say.
What's the last one? What's the last one, sorry?
CVS, Charlie, Victory. Yeah, that's right.
I mean the one-off, how it compares to the company. Yeah, think
So for UNB, it's still struggling at the confluence area of the 50-day.
Yeah, the 200-day it cannot break decisively above, right?
Yeah. And you're also somewhere here, right? So it's struggling on 550.
Mhm.
Needs to
So
break
if
above that.
this one's actually a mega cap. So if Nasdaq's doing well, it probably won't break it, right? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Is this a short though?
sorry.
I'm
Is
not
this the
sure if
town?
it's
Yeah.
short, but it probably consolidated in this narrow range.
Yeah. So you're just saying that the market is undecided on this, right?
Yes,
Waiting
yes.
for one. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Cool. ELV. Yeah.
ELV, there's a
Basing. Yeah.
basing pattern that's developing in the stock, but it needs to break conclusively up above 410 for it to
Although I would
Then it's a buy, right? Yeah.
be a buy. Then you're probably looking into
the yellow flag. I mean, I
for
understand it's
around 440
To
upside.
the 200-day. Yeah.
they cannot stay more deep.
440.
But would you buy here? Not really, because there is no RSI buy either, right?
And why is
There's
why
no immediate urgency to buy it because the stock's still recently weakish, right? Yeah.
I can build a position below
Yeah.
this. If
Yeah.
it breaks, then you have an upside. If it doesn't, then I
Yeah.
have the 50-day as a take
as a
profit.
stop. Yeah. Okay. Got
Stop
it.
loss. Yeah.
Yeah. And CVS? Yeah.
CVS.
This is the crazy one. Yeah. What the hell?
Crazy move. So
But was there RSI sell? Was there RSI buy at the bottom? Yes, right. It was a small RSI buy, right? Yeah.
Here, yes.
Yes. Then it rallied, and then it broke above. It broke above the 50-day, broke above the 200-day. That failed. Oh my goodness. What do you make of this? Momentum confirmed it, right? Yeah.
Momentum confirming it, and you have a key resistance at 66. So if it moves, it has failed at, well, it hasn't broken the resistance yet, right? It tried to, but it didn't yet. So if it breaks above that conclusively, then you're looking to the upper end.
In fact, it's a lot more clearer than
Here.
So the market was wow. This is entirely wrong. Then this is gapping up and down, right? Yeah.
Yes, yeah. A bit erratic and parabolic in its bands. So
the charts are less helpful. Okay, got it.
Yes.
Okay, cool. By the way, this is a large cap. It's not a small stock. Okay. Yeah. Can we go to the first tab? It's CIUS. Then HGUM.
Utilize the theoretical high
No, HUM.
HUM.
Yeah. And then MCK. Yeah. And we're almost done with the US. Yeah.
So again, there's, I think we noted it earlier, there's a top pattern here.
Yes, it looks like a double top, right? Yeah.
Yeah, but I think it's already.
But it has played out already, right? It has played out. The double top is played out, right?
So your next key resistance is area.
And this is more bullish. Are you saying it's more bullish?
Room to advance and it has.
Yeah. Okay, maybe the other question is, right, at the end of January there was a plunge, right, and then a recovery. Is that an RSI buy? No, right, because it didn't make a new close. The low is in the mid-December, right?
No. Yeah, you're right. You're referring to this, right? This plunge and then the advance.
Oh no, I'm talking about the plunge, right?
This one.
Yeah, is the one in front of it. The one more recent. Yeah. This one, yes, exactly. From here, this one down, and it closed at the low, or it closed at the high. Okay, so there was no RSI buy,
Yes,
right?
yes. There's no RSI buy here.
And why are you bullish on this? Is because
It has just staying in
above
the
the
50-day. Yeah, and
you will test this one. Yeah,
probably will test this 315 area.
got it. Okay. Can we look at the HUM, sorry. Next one.
Not necessarily. I think that's one way to
So with the decline, so this T10 appears to be
the
a
most
key resistance for the stock, and your next support is on this area. Since it broke below the 50-day, yeah, your next support is at 233 and also at 212. Should it test this with higher momentum, then you're looking to an RSI divergence as well.
Okay. But you're looking at it to test the lower end first, right? Yeah.
Yes, since it because of the recent
trading
moves.
range.
Yeah.
At least it respects the trading range. Okay, can we look at MCK?
MCK, you have a potential for a cup and handle pattern, but it needs to break above 35 to 66.
Yeah.
For it to
right. Yeah.
As long as it stays within this consolidation, and if we touch this, then this pattern, the upside target of that pattern to if it breaks below the 200-day, then probably it will negate that.
Okay. Okay, very helpful. Thank you so much, MCK. 1 minute, take a step back. Sorry, 1 minute. Yeah, if we go back to the first tab. IDXX.
Yeah, 30-40%. Then cost of funds of about 5% on average.
ZBH is the next one. ZBH. Yeah, and then BAX.
So as long as you use it, they will reward you up to 12% promo rate.
So trying to break out from here, but there's some hesitation below the 200-day moving average. If it breaks above that, then you have
That'd be
more
interesting.
bullish outlook. Yeah.
But at this moment, is it a sell? Not really, right? Because momentum is improving and it's holding well above, right?
Yes. It breaks below
this first line, then it's probably a sell.
Yeah.
There's a cap
on the
amount that you can get 12% on.
Like this is an RSI buy? Yeah.
I think it's a sell. So you have a new low, but momentum is confirming.
Confirm it, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a sell.
But on a 6 months, 9 months basis, the last RSI bottom, right, in June 24, is that a multi-year RSI buy? A multi-year?
I'm more concerned here since
using this the price low. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So right now it's very negative, right? Yeah, it's confirmed it, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, that's very helpful. Cool. Then the last one, the BAX.
As a young person,
sorry. ZBH, sorry. If you go one step back, right? It was an RSI buy in early Jan, right? It rallied all the way up to the top. Because I remember I was speaking to Lawrence on this. So that means the whole street was wrong, right? Yeah, can we zoom in? Yeah, is this the RSI buy?
Which one is it?
Yeah, it was. It closed. Yeah.
So extend this.
Okay.
So this one is a key support for the stock.
Yes.
There's a
No. I'm asking, is the early January? Was that an
January.
RSI buy? Not really, right? It was very close, right? Yeah.
Early. This one.
Yes, this one. Yeah. Did it close at the low? It did close at the low, right? Yeah.
Not really an RSI, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, I'm talking about versus the October low.
Once they
It's not a low, right? Yeah.
Okay.
merchant, proper merchant.
But this is not a momentum low. This is not a momentum low, right? Yeah, I see.
They can make
Yeah.
No, because I'm trying to understand. I'm trying to recall to go back see what Lawrence said, but he recommended buying it in January, early January. Without I think he said there was barely a RSI buy and it rallied all the way to the top, right? Then I didn't short it. I forgot about it. Next thing you know, this thing is breaking down
Back again.
everything. Yeah.
Back again. I think I would be worried about this
This
is a
one.
new RSI low. But if it
It's trying to recapture the range now, right? Yeah.
try to capture the range, then you're a bit safer, I guess. But you're looking into 106%.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
as it is right now,
It's negative, right? Yeah. Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, very helpful. Can we take a look at BAX? Yeah.
So for BAX, you're
Yeah, it's almost like ZBH, all the lousy guys. Yeah.
so there was a RSI buy here.
Yeah.
Fail
at the 200 day.
Failed the 200 day, and also
Yes, this one.
this resistance.
Negative, yeah. But the momentum, the last momentum confirmed it, or almost, right? It didn't.
But
Sorry, which this one?
Yes, this one. Yes.
Yeah.
No, I'm just trying to understand, right? The last momentum in a week, 2 weeks ago, does it need to close above the September 24 high RSI before it's confirming it, or was there anything suggesting the sell-off? No, right? Because there was no price high.
No.
Yeah.
You could say that there's a possible basing pattern.
Yeah. If it turns out from here, right? Yeah.
Yeah, developing here, especially if it closes to this area.
Yeah.
Then you're looking into 28 to 30.
Yeah. Okay. Very helpful. Sorry. Cool. Can we just I'm just trying to rush along. We could do more, right? Can we do CSL? And then the next ticker is
this one here, right?
Yeah, CSLAU, and then the Japan one is 6869.
Yeah.
6869. Yeah, and then the last one is actually BDMS.
Yeah, don't think it's very
Then I have a couple of China ones and
So right now, this support is holding. But the downside from the about 25. So yeah, probably this area, this support.
Yeah.
So I will probably consolidate above this 250 and below this for now.
Okay. But the worry is that the RSI confirmed the low, right?
Yes. But
they will not.
Yeah. So if it breaks below this, then you're looking to more bearish price action. It's hard to folding.
Okay, understood. Okay, very helpful. Then Sysmex, yeah.
There's a minor topping pattern that we're seeing in the stock. So we're looking into.
Is this a breakdown though? Broke the green line but holding above the 200 day, right?
Yeah, a bit more bearish if it breaks below this. And it did break.
It closed below, right?
Yes.
Oh, is this today or is this yesterday? I haven't checked it. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's
Probably
more
today.
about
Today, right?
Today,
It's down,
today.
right? Yeah. Okay. So if
So
it
it's
closes,
closest
below, it's negative, right? Yeah.
Yes, and you're looking into about
I don't think it will happen this year.
13,
You're right.
about 500 yen downside from
Yeah.
28. So
Yeah. The 2.5.
2.5 2p.
Yeah. Okay, understood. No. I just this is very helpful. That's why I wanted to seek a view on this. And BDM. Okay. I'm sorry. While we are here, right?
Mhm.
4.5. 1 minute. I'm just gonna get a ticker. Terumo. 4.543. Yeah. Wow, this is super bullish, but
Other than that,
super bullish because it was
there are other
4%, 5% down this morning.
smaller PE firms and
So it recaptured the 200 day, right? Yeah.
sovereign
Oh, which
wealth
one?
funds.
Sorry.
Oh no, yeah. Let's go to
I have
BDMS.
that one.
Okay, so for BDMS, still,
Oh, it closed below. Yeah.
but you still have that bullish divergence.
Oh.
So
It's an e-wallet. The first
Okay.
e-wallet is founded.
well, my initial view would be a good buy opportunity for now, but again, you have to monitor if it.
Yeah, if it breaks
Yes.
significantly below, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. But as a whole, right? Why is Thailand? I know you look at Thai stocks, right? Is everything looking like this, or this one is actually better? I'm because it can't outperform the index is getting sold, right?
I haven't seen
You
Thai
haven't?
stuff
Okay. Okay, no problem. Yeah.
recently. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, no problem. I thought you knew. But let's take a look at Terumo, the one behind. Yeah. Yeah. Then I'll give you 3 tickers. Yeah.
But the strategy was
So for Terumo, consolidating on the 200-day moving average.
Yeah. But if
Um,
the fact that it came up to close above it is very impressive, right?
So so there's a chance for it to rebound up to with next resistance at the 293,000 area, right?
Yeah.
By this one.
No, because this morning when it opened 4% down, I thought it was going to the lower end. So the market
but
is
it
debating it now.
Kind
right?
of recovered. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Very helpful. Thank you. So cool. Can we just go into China, right? If we go to the first tab. Yeah. I'll just try to be quick. Yeah. 600, 276.
600.
600, 276. Yeah. And that's CH, right? CH. And then the next one is 300, 765.
Now, there's virtually none. I think
Yeah. And then the last one is 300, 760.
Pay wallet or pay your bills, PLDT bills within the app, but they're charging the same fees as virtually anyone else.
So for this first time looking into this,
Yeah.
so there's trading range forming here, right?
Yeah.
Unlike
As for this, it's approaching the 50 days acting as a resistance for now. But
Yes.
if it breaks above that, then it will probably retest this 51 area.
Yeah.
The upper part of the upper zone of the range.
So this is slightly bullish, right? But you need to break above. Okay, got it.
Yes.
The next tab, yeah.
people still think that
You're seeing some consolidation pattern here.
Yeah.
And potential triangles. Should it move above 36? So
Yeah, that is very bullish, right? Yeah.
yeah, and also since it's above the 50-day, 200-day confluence.
Oh.
Likely consolidate. It's a bit consolidating, but if it breaks above 36, you're a bit more bullish.
Okay, very helpful. Then the last tab?
So you're
I think even if without PLDT now, at least they have a digital banking license, and they are guaranteed.
you have a support here.
They have actual ratios to
and it's approaching this 200-day moving average. It will be a bit more bullish if it breaks exclusively above that, around 265.
But was there anything suggesting the bounce recently, like in this month? Yeah.
Here,
This not there was RSI buy, right? I think there was, right?
yes. There was.
Very small one, right? Two weeks,
Very
3 weeks
small one.
RSI buy, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is
Uh,
more. Yeah, you would wait for it to reach the 200-day before we decide whether it's a short or not, right?
Yeah. Right.
Okay, got it. Thank you. So can we look at 300 832? 300 832. Yeah, exactly. And then the next tab is 603 939.
Now they have the practice showing that like depositor acquisition.
Yeah.
But
And the last tab is 3000 3015.
they haven't lent out yet.
Yeah, that's the one. Thank you.
So there's some support here, and
Oh, this didn't
here as
participate
well.
in anything. Yeah.
Consolidating for some time now, and you have some key resistance at the 65 to 67 area, so it needs to break above that for a more
Okay.
bullish action.
Yeah. Okay. Then the next tab.
Again,
This one is
Oh.
really interesting since it looks like on the verge of a breakout from this triangle.
Yeah.
So you're looking into break above 26.
Yeah, it's almost there, right? Yeah.
It's
And
almost
200-day.
there.
Yeah.
So you're looking into
so
But there was there an RSI buy recently? No, right? It's just
No.
it just reversed
It
out
just
of the
bar-
blue, right?
inverse bar. You're looking into
The
a
green
5,
line. Yeah.
so this is stable and this is
Yeah.
looking into 5 P1. Should it break about 26 to about 31?
Okay.
31, 32.
Got it. Okay. Can we look at higher? Yeah. Oh, this as well. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit more bullish if it retains its break above the 50-day.
Yeah. Then you look to test the previous resistance, right? Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Shares, unless they grow their
So you're looking to
further.
Reach 17. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay. Wow. What the fuck? China is going crazy. Okay. Can we go to the first tab? 688506.
88506.
Yeah.
Still China?
Yeah, still China.
Okay.
Then the next tab, let's do some Hong Kong. Next tab, we do sorry, 1 minute. 3692.
The data center
Yeah. And then 1801.
Earlier they mentioned it's going to be 100 megawatts.
Yes.
Hong Kong?
Innovant, yeah. Cool.
If we are actually going to build 100 megawatts, then actually I think that's going to add about 5% to EBITDA.
Consolidating in a range, in a tight range.
But obviously, there's a lot of other things to the enterprise side.
You have a
Yeah.
range here, and it's also approaching the lower end of it.
If it breaks below the range, it's a different story, right? Yeah.
You're looking your
yeah.
next support is around.
Got it. No problem. This one is, by the way, the one I think is a fraud, but I can see them defending in the range. Okay, the next tab on the Hansel, yeah.
Oh, for this,
strange. I mean, today is a massive rally. Nothing to do with them. There's an upper channel, right? But the channel is a bit shaky.
you have some support here. And even a potential head and shoulders if it breaks below this.
Oh, Oh, wow, wow. Okay, I see. I thought it was bullish. But if it
Yeah.
bounces at the red line, it will be interesting, right?
If it breaks above 90, then yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Cool. No problem.
Yeah,
You
you
just
get
draw that.
around.
Yeah. Then the last tab. Sorry, I'm trying to give you the last few tickets, then we're done.
Fresh money,
Mhm.
so they can
Yeah. How do you read this?
know,
Bullish, right? This one. Yeah.
So it's
It's
becoming
pushing this one
apparent
a bit more bullish if it breaks
that
above 39, since you have
Ah.
a resistance here. Sorry, 39 to 40.
uh,
You still have a resistance.
basically already going up.
Sorry.
Yes, I see. And there was a huge gap up, right?
So you
Oh
have
yeah,
some
yeah.
resistance there.
It's still
Yeah.
going to be
Need
gonna
to
have
break
more
above
market
that.
share,
Yeah.
but,
Probably more
they've been
bullish
Go
taking
higher.
outlook.
Yeah.
Then you're probably gonna test this 49 to
Yeah.
52 area.
Okay.
And
Can you
then,
just
yeah, a big
Okay.
trading range. Mhm.
Thank you. Then three more tickets, then we're good. 9926. 9926. Yeah. Yes.
Hong Kong.
And then 9995.
The theory of
9995. Five. And then the last one is 1093. 093.
Get more sticky. Whereas their own apps, the divergence of strategy between Maya
Can you repeat that? Sorry. One.
smart money.
Oh, 1093.
Basically paved the way for
93.
yeah, despite having a better network. So with the revival of smart money, we're going to be head to head with Maya.
You have a support here.
Mm.
With Tyson with 250-day as well. So it's on 54.
54.
54, yeah.
Do you think it's going to hold it? It looks like it's going to, right? Momentum sort of confirmed it, right? The momentum is still highly improved, right?
Yeah, but it's not yet.
Oh, but there's another lower bar below. Yeah.
There's another support at 51. So yeah, probably gonna hold since you have a layer of support here.
Yes.
Around
Do
51
you
to
think that it's going to break down from the red line? No, right? Because the momentum is already better, right?
No indication right now that it will break down
Okay.
below.
Okay, got it. No problem. By the way, this is the trigger for everyone in the West. I think they're faking the data, but it's okay. One or two. Okay, can we take a look at 9995? Whoa, this is bonkers. Yeah.
So for those,
Yeah, but the 200 days is a cap, right? It's failed many times, right?
yeah, so it needs to break above the 200-day for a more
For you to get excited. Okay.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
cool.
yes.
Can we look at CSPC then? Yeah.
We just traveled.
Yeah,
Oh, bullish. Yeah.
a bit bullish.
Double bottom, right? Yeah.
Double bottom, but
Group network is
the height is a bit higher.
Okay, but first of all, right, could you
Mhm.
tell me about the September high? That was the fucking Chinese stimulus. Was there anything that suggested it was a sell? No, right? Because momentum
No.
confirmed it, right? It just collapsed, right?
No.
This one, okay, fine. If it was an event driven, probably technicals don't
Not
really work.
not we well too
Oh,
too
you
hard.
did. It did, yeah.
It kind of did, but it's not
Yeah,
that
yeah,
much.
yeah. Not so clear. Okay. Okay, no problem. I'm just trying to understand when do we push the shot, because it went to the 200-day bounce, right? And then it failed, right? But when it failed, I should have plotted it properly, right? Yeah, yeah.
When it
No, when it failed
failed,
below the 200-day, a couple months later.
this
Yeah,
one.
2 weeks later.
This
Yeah.
one.
Oh, no, actually, I mean the one behind. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This
Okay.
one.
Yeah, yeah. No, I said no. Sorry, the one in front of it. And got 1 week. Yeah, all the way to the before the gap down, all the way to the right.
This one.
Exactly. This one would have been a clear cut, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's still, yeah.
Then it gapped down. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
This is a tricky stop. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Sorry, can I have three more tickets, right? I forgot. 2359, 2359, then 2269,
It's the problem of the
2269, and then 241.
develop such product because the margin profiles
That's the
will
one.
get diluted.
These
when
are
they
the
start.
techie shit. Okay, cool.
PLDT, in fact, is
For this one, you're seeing some
sorry, repairs and maintenance comprise their 18% of
That's
the
bullish,
revenue,
right?
whereas
Yeah.
conversion is 6%.
consolidation.
Oh, but it looks like it's going to break out. It looks like it's going to break out, right?
Yeah.
Fundamental cost
Yeah.
profile.
Sorry.
I
I think this is
bummer for traditional telco.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
You have resistance. You have some resistance there, and
Yes, for multi-months
some-
already, right?
yeah.
So this one is actually bullish, right? If it closes above 60 today,
80
right? The
61,
green line.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. And then the next tab, yeah. Oh, trying the same thing, multi-months, right? Yeah.
Something similar. And there's no actual pattern, but you have a bullish bias.
Okay.
If it breaks below, if it breaks above,
Very above. Yeah.
22, 23 area.
Okay. Then the last tab.
Growth will be quite constrained to
What the fuck is this?
Or
Deep stick. Yeah.
for PLD.
So you have some resistance here.
But still far away,
Yeah.
right? And the momentum is confirming it, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. Two more tickets, right? Related to this one is 6618. 6618. And then the last one is 2367.
Did you listen to what?
2367. Yeah, and then we're done for today.
Okay.
Yeah. I think they
Oh, it's still loading.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think the Philippines has a bit slower internet connection. Oh, but this one is, oh my goodness, it's been going up every day.
This one looks like a breakout.
Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah.
So you're looking into 35 to
Yeah. So about $45, right? Yeah. $45 there.
about 40 to
42.
Yeah. 42. Yeah. So you have your resistance here.
But this one, the momentum is less, right? Less than Alibaba.
Yeah. But you have a breakout, so
yeah. Okay, fine. Let's go to 42. Okay, cool. And the last one? Oh my goodness. Whatever this shit is, yeah. Breakout, yeah.
Majority owner.
Breakout here if you're looking into a bit long term.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one who bought
the range is huge, right? If it holds above here, right?
57 to
But right now the momentum is not good enough yet, right? It hasn't gone above, right?
Yes. Yes, it's kind of weakening, but as long as it's above this 57 area,
yeah,
then you have a bullish bias.
Okay. So thank you so much, Jonathan. I mean, today I'm rushing along the last one. I already overran my time. It's been very, very helpful. I'm sorry I covered everything in my universe, right? Just to make sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. You have a good day. All right. Thanks a lot.
Okay,
We'll
thank
speak
you.
again soon. Thank you. Have a good day.
Cheers.
Thank you.